shall we then look at what do you see your most advanced of your clients are doing with AI, PIM, and DAM? That's a good one.
Yeah. So I mentioned those stats, right? I think it's top 3 to 5% for us actually have centers of excellence around product experience management. So it's not a DAM group in a silo and a PIM group in a silo. It's the two groups working together under a head that has ties into typically a chief digital officer, a chief technology officer, and they understand the concept. And we're doing this for a global cosmetics manufacturer, global tool manufacturer, global footwear manufacturer. They have this structure in place because they know the lifeblood of the organization for discoverability and purchases is the quality and the consistency of their product data. So I think that it's not a technical tool that the most advanced groups are using. I mean, certainly they have robust PIMs and DAMs in place and they're integrated. It really is about an organizational mindset of we are putting the data out there for discoverability to machines as well as to people.